Rounding helps us find the nearest value quickly, and you have to just remember one simple rule. Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Math, and in today's video, let's understand decimal rounding with this simple rule. Let's understand this with help of few examples because these verbose makes it confusing. Let's say I have a number 8.39 and I have to round this number to the nearest whole number. When I said whole number, that means my rounding digit or the place value is ones here. So I will circle my place value. Step number 2 is underline the digit to the right. Now the digit that I have to underline is 3. I have to underline the digit right to the circle digit. Now I have to apply the check. If the underlined digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, I will keep the circle digit same. I see here that my digit underlined is 3. So I will keep my circle digit as it is and all the digit towards the right will become 0. So my answer would be 8.00 and 8.00 can also be written as 8. Hence, the whole number 8.39 gets rounded to is 8. Example number 2. Let's say I have a number 7.487 and I have to round this number to the nearest tenth. So step number 1, circle the place value. Now the 10th digit here is 4. I will circle my 4. Underline the digit to the right. So I will underline my 8. Now I will apply the check. If the underlined digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, I'll increase the circle digit by 1. So I will add a 1 to my circle digit since 8 is coming under this condition. And the digits, including the underlined digits, after the circle digit becomes 0, answer will be 7.500, which can also be written as 7.5. So 7.487 rounded to the nearest tenth becomes 7.5. Let's look at more examples. If I have to round 3.742 to the nearest whole number, again the place value is ones here. I will circle my ones digit, underline the digit to the right, and now apply the check, which is if my digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, I'll increase the circle digit by 1. So the answer would be 3 plus 1 is 4 point, and the digit including the underlined digit towards the right all becomes 0. Answer would be 4. So 3.742 rounded to the nearest whole number becomes 4. 13.436. I have to round this number to the nearest 100. Now my 100 digit is 3 here. I circle my 100 digit, underline the digit to the right. And now since this falls under the second condition, I'll add a 1 here and this digit becomes 0. Answer would be 13.44 and the digits to the right become 0, or this can also be written as 13.44. To make this condition, which is very big easy, there is a simple poem which is 5 or more, increase the score. 4 or less, let it rest. With the help of this poem, you can easily remember instead of remembering this big condition, which means if your underlying digit is 5 or more than 5, you have to increase the circle digit by 1. If the underlying digit is 4 or less than 4, you will keep the circle digit as it is and make no changes to it. All the digits towards the right, the underlying digit, and after them become 0. I'll repeat the poem once again. 5 or more, increase the score. 4 or less, let it rest. Your learning would be incomplete until you have solved few questions by yourself. Here are few questions. 12.67 to be rounded to the nearest tenth, 5.21 rounded to the nearest whole number, 32.249 rounded to the nearest hundredth. I want you to try and solve these questions by yourself. Before you begin solving these questions, let's recall the steps to rounding the decimal numbers. Step number 1. Whenever you have any question, circle the place value to which you have to round. Step number 2. You have to underline the digit right to the circle digit. Step number 3. And step number 3 is that you have to apply a condition, and that condition you can very well remember by this poem. 5 or more, increase the score. 4 or less, let it rest. So if the underlying digit is 5 or more than 5, then you have to increase the circle digit by 1. If the underlying digit is 4 or less than 4, then you have to keep the circle digit as it is and make no changes. And all the digits right to the circle digits become 0, including the underlying digits. Now you can pause this video and try solving these questions. If you have any questions, any doubts, you can mention in the comments. If this video helped you understand rounding of decimal numbers, do like, share and subscribe to Easy Maths channel. Happy learning and wish you the best.